it's Ilana and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am doing my August 2018 Stitchfix unboxing for you guys. So let's just go ahead, cut to the chase and get right into this unboxing. So in case you don't know what Stitchfix is, it is a personal styling subscription service that you can choose how often you want to get it, whether you want to get it weekly, monthly, every other month. You're in charge of how often you want to receive them. You have a personal stylist who picks out your outfits based on a profile that you fill out, and then you get a box full of 5 items sent to you. Every single box comes with a return envelope, so you can return the items that you do not want. And then also you get your note from your stylist along with a picture of the items that you receive and like outfit ideas. Oh, and you get your invoice. I'm gonna read my note to you. Hi Ilana, your previous stylist Susan is on a well-deserved vacation, so I'll be filling in for her today. Susie, I can't wait for you to come back. It's crazy to think that we are already halfway through the summer. Where have the months gone? These pieces will add a refreshing touch to your wardrobe now, and also we begin to transition into fall. I saw in your request that you need another pair of leggings due to a rip. Such a bummer. You're right, it is a bummer. So if you don't remember my February fix, I got a pair of leggings and they were so adorable, but sadly, they ripped in the crotch. The T4T leggings have a special wicking technology to keep you cool and relaxed. I wasn't able to find any fitted little black dresses, but I can certainly keep an eye out in your next fix. White is the color to wear in the summer and fall, so many celebrities sport it, so fresh and chic. Pair the white 1822 denim jeans with the NYTT bodysuit and layer Willow and Klein kimono. Do you like the edgy fringe detail? Enjoy trying it all on XO low. Okay, well, I'm a little nervous about this fix, especially that it's not from Susie. I really hope Susie didn't leave Stitch Fix, so I hope she is back next month. I hope well-deserved vacation means literally it's just a vacation. Okay, let's go ahead and try everything on. So let's just talk about the first item. So this is the NYTT Ranslee Waffle Texture Knit Bodysuit. So I really liked the fabric and the material of the bodysuit. I do like the color. I wish the bodysuit was a little bit more, I guess you could say, interesting. I kind of felt like it was a very boring piece, but I liked the simplicity of it at the same time because I feel like this can go with a lot of outfits and it's a really nice color. It was super flattering and it fit perfectly, and it's only $38, which is really cheap, and I was really pleased with how this looked on me, and it was just really comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. I think it's a great price. It's very comfortable and flattering. It's a very practical piece that I see myself wearing all the time. Okie dokie, so this piece right here is the Willow and Clay Aria Fringe Detail Kimono. I thought I was going to absolutely hate this piece. I thought it was really odd, but when I tried it on, especially with the bodysuit, I thought it looked amazing. But the biggest problem that I have with this is that it is $88, and I'm sorry, but this thing does not need to be $88. And that was just a really big deal breaker for me, and it's such a shame because it's such a gorgeous piece and I could see myself wearing this, but the price is just such a huge turnoff for me that I'm not gonna keep it, and I feel bad because it looked so good on me and I thought it looked so good with that bodysuit, but to me, $88 is not worth the price, and I feel like I could find something similar for a cheaper price. So the next piece that I have is the 1822 Denim Wynter Skinny Jean. These pants were so comfortable and they fit perfectly, and I loved that they were cropped. The only problem is that I just bought a pair of white skinny jeans, even though that they weren't cropped. I just don't think that I need a cropped pair at this time. I'm perfectly happy with what I have, but it was so comfortable, and for 40 bucks, I thought this was an absolute steal for a pair of Stitch Fix pants. I thought Like looking at these, I thought this would be at least like $70 to $80 right here, but it's only $40. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna keep it just because like I don't need another pair of white denim jeans. It just wouldn't make sense for me to keep it. So unfortunately, I am gonna pass on this, but they fit so well. Okay, so for the fourth item, it is the Calvin Klein Suit Separates, the Halda crochet detail bell sleeve blouse. While I absolutely loved the color of this because I'm all about a bright hot pink, this shirt is just absolutely not my style at all. I liked the fit. I will say I was really impressed with how well it fit. It wasn't frumpy and it had a really nice fitted fit to it, but this is just not my style. I kind of felt like I was a 50-year-old woman wearing this shirt, and this is something that college Ilana would have loved. It's super preppy, but that's just not really my style anymore. I would still wear this color, absolutely, but I just didn't really like the style of shirt. It just seemed a little bit too conservative for my taste, and I've just kind of moved on with that in my life, and that's just not me anymore. But I was surprised by this shirt and how well it fit, so I'll give credit where credit is due. Finally, the pair of leggings, which I tried on with the pink top, as you can see. They're just basic leggings, the T4T Monica Legging. I think these are much better quality than the other pair of leggings that Susie sent to me back in February. The material is stretchy and it's thicker, so I won't have to worry about this ripping in the crotch area. Oh my god, that was literally the worst when I discovered that at the gym. But these are $38, great deal. It's nice that these are the exact same price as the other pair of leggings, only a better quality material. So I'm really happy about this, so I will be keeping this. So now that I've showed you all the items, let's talk about cost breakdown. So the stylist pick subtotal was $272. And if I were to buy all 5 items at a 25% discount, it would take away $68, which would leave me a new order subtotal at $204. That's still a lot of money for all 5 items, and because I'm only keeping the leggings and the bodysuit, I really wanted to keep that kimono, but I just can't bring myself to pay that much money for it. And I don't get credits off anymore on my purchases, unfortunately, because I am on a style pass now, and therefore it waives that styling fee, so therefore I no longer get that extra discount. But it's okay. I think like this kind of saves me money in a way. I've noticed like I've been getting like a lot of cheaper pieces with the style pass. What do I overall think of this fix? I want to give this fix a 4 out of a 5. Just because like it definitely was geared towards my style. I was really nervous about this fix because it wasn't from Susie, but I'm really glad that this stylist did give me a new pair of leggings like I asked for in my note. I am bummed that I didn't get a little black dress in this fix. I'm hoping next month I will, because I am going to a wedding next month and I really need like a new dress for that. Especially because it's a semi-formal attired theme wedding. So I want to make sure that I'm looking sharp for that. So I know what I'm requesting next month. But yeah, I mean, I was really pleased with the style. I was nervous. I thought it wasn't gonna be a good fix, but it wasn't bad. It's just that some items they just weren't useful to me, like the white pair of pants, and then the shirt just wasn't my style anymore. And then, you know, the kimono was just too damn expensive. That pretty much completes this Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as I post new videos on Mondays. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!